For this short video, we will briefly mention a few key features of the Health Sciences Library website. We'll also talk about the Cywheel, formerly called F1000 user guide, available on the Health Sciences Library website. And lastly, we'll talk a little bit about Cywheel registration and creating an account. Very briefly, I do want to mention two quick things that are part of our Health Sciences Library homepage. The first thing, available under this quick links section, you'll see links to various databases that you might use, including PubMed, Embase, just listing some examples. Whenever you're accessing these databases, it's important to use these quick links to access the database. This will allow you to enter the database from the UNC system so you can access articles, the full text of articles through the UNC subscription service. This is especially important when you're accessing articles when you're not on the UNC campus. You will have to authenticate with your Onion, but it will allow you to, again, go through the UNC subscription system to access the full text of articles you want to read. The next key feature of the Health Sciences Library homepage is the Ask Us button. So if you have any questions about Cywheel, both as you're learning and when you're getting started, and even when you're doing more advanced features, feel free to send us a quick email or chat. We are available through chat Monday through Friday during normal business hours. You can also send us an email at any time. We respond to both of those very quickly. Now let's dive into our Cywheel user guide. So to access this user guide, you can go into Research and Teaching, Citing and Writing Tools, and you will see 4 different citation managers. So we have Cywheel, EndNote, Zotero, Mendeley. Right now we're focusing just on Cywheel, but I do like to point out very quickly that we also have a comparison chart at the bottom of the screen here that will just compare these 4 citation managers to use for you so you can pick which one fits your needs the best. To access the Cywheel user guide, which we will dive into in a second, you'll click on this link. But first I do want to show the registration and sign-in page. If you do want to register an account with Cywheel or under Cywheel, there is an institutional access through UNC, so that will give you Cywheel at no cost to you with the UNC subscription service. This will give you access to unlimited storage, some other features that are available through Cywheel. To register an account using Cywheel, you'll click on this registration and sign-in link, and then you will be taken to the Onion authentication, which you'll have to authenticate using your Onion to be able to sign up to Cywheel. Let's go back to this page here, the Citing and Writing Tools page, and now we'll click into the Cywheel guide. This Cywheel guide has a lot of important information on it, both for getting started as well as some more advanced features that you might find useful as you're using Cywheel. If you click this section, the Getting Started section, you'll see some information about registration and how to sign up for Cywheel. One important feature that I do like to point out is the use of your UNC email address. It's very important when you register for Cywheel that you make sure that you're using your UNC email address to register an account. This will allow you to gain access to Cywheel under the UNC institutional access, which will again give you access to such features like unlimited storage and such. This brief clip went over the Health Sciences Library homepage. We talked about a couple key features there. We also talked about this Cywheel user guide available through the Health Sciences Library website. Lastly, we talked about registering and getting signed up for a Cywheel account.